I'm here with the InCharge versus the InCharge XL charging cables by Rolling Square. Now they both have the same end, so they have this magnetic closure here, so they snap together, and then this part where you can fit that on top of each other. So you have all of these different cables. So let's look at that. So they both have a USB to USB-C converter, and then the Apple cable to a USB-C cable. So with both you can do USB-C to USB-C, or USB to USB-C, or USB-C to the Apple one. This small one here is the X, which is pretty cool. So you can use this as a keychain. So which is what I'm doing right now. So you always have cables with you. Now it is very, very small. So it is a cool little packaging. It's premium here, but you have a very small cable. So this is like in emergencies perhaps. So you always have something with you. And this is more like if you're working and want to take your cables with you. So you always make sure you have enough cable space. Look at how long that is. And enough different ports, so you always have something to use. How many times does a friend come and ask, hey, do you have like an iPhone charger or a USB-C charger? And now you always have one with you, with like this one. So both, they are premium products, but they have a little bit of a different use here. So this one is pretty cool, and you can close that and put on a little cap, so it's protected. This one is something that you take along with you on purpose. So those are the differences between these two cables, and I hope this has helped you to make your choice.